Hello everyone, I am Dabasunda Das representing our team T-Rex Robotics. The problem statement that we have chosen is disaster management, which includes risk mitigation and planning before, after, and duration of the disaster. The problem statement ID is SIH 1527. In various hilly regions, tunnels, or in coal mining areas, people get stuck due to various disastrous conditions and they need to be rescued on an immediate basis. The rescue operation is done manually. This operation or process is very risky for the rescue operation team and at the same time inefficient. So here comes our solution, Terra Rover, which is a multi-terrain bot. As the name suggests, it can conquer all the land, water, and aerial movement capabilities in a single versatile system. It has propellers fixed to its wheels, which helps it in water movement. The wheels help in the land movement, and as the drone is present attached to the rover, it helps in the aerial movement. In various scenarios where the drone cannot work, like in narrow areas or in stormy areas where the drone cannot fly, it passes over its control to the rover. So I would like to present before you the working prototype of the Terra rover bot. The problems associated with the past methodologies include the underlying condition is not known to the rescue operation team before entering the rescue spot. The team does not know about the number of people or the health condition of the people who needs to be rescued, and also they do not know about the precautions they need to take before entering the rescue spot. Additionally, the rescue operation team is unaware of the condition or situation where emergency can occur, like if a person is hanging from a height, if a person is drowning, or if he or she is flowing away in water currents. And lastly, the exact path or the safest route to the rescue spot is not known to the rescue operation team beforehand. The Terra rover provides an integrated system for disaster management, including various terrains. This system includes an advanced hardware architecture, IoT protocols, and machine learning to control and monitor various disasters effectively. The problems discussed previously, like the health condition of the people and the count of the people, which are not known beforehand, is solved using our solution Terra rover. The human count will be done using our deep sort ML algorithm. We will detect whether a person is prone to heart attack or having breathing issues by monitoring his facial expressions, his body movements, his chest movements, as well as his body posture. If a person is bleeding or having any injury, it will be detected using our ML models. The body temperature of the person who is trapped is detected using the AIT 1000 sensor, which is an infrared body temperature sensor. The heartbeat of the person is detected using the IR60BH1A sensor, which is a radar based heartbeat sensor. By using these sensors, we can know whether a person is alive or not. Secondly, the precautions which the rescuer needs to take before entering a rescue spot and the underlying conditions are not known to them. We are using a live video streaming session for that, and also we are using some environmental sensor. The environmental sensors include the SGP41 sensor, which is a nitrous oxide detecting sensor, the DHT22 for detecting the environmental temperature as well as humidity, the MQ7 for detecting the carbon monoxide level, and lastly the TGS2611 sensor for detecting the methane present inside. Additionally, we have the fire detection model to detect whether fire is present inside the rescue spot or not. Thirdly, Terrover addresses unpredictable emergency conditions, such as when a person stranded needs medical aid or food. In such cases, the Terrover activates the FANG protocol, summoning the child drones equipped with food and medical assistance. In flood situations, if someone is swept away, the parent drone deploys child drones carrying life jackets. These drones calculate the precise moment to drop the life jacket to the person being rescued. Additionally, a GPS chip in the life jacket continuously tracks the person's location, allowing the rescuers to respond swiftly and save lives in real time. Lastly, Terra Rover excels in predicting the safest path for rescuers and survivors. Our system uses an advanced machine learning world collapse model to foresee potential structure failures or landslide risk, ensuring rescuers avoid hazardous areas. The exact location of the trapped individuals are located using GPS attached to Terra Rover, enabling precise and timely assistance. By integrating real time data and predictions, Terra Rover not only identifies where help is needed but also maps the safest route to reach them. This improves rescue efficiency, minimizing risk to both victims and responders. To wrap up, TerraRover provides a comprehensive solution for disaster management, mitigation, and planning before, after, and during a crisis, which ensures the safety of both the rescuers and victims. Thank you from all of us at T-Rex Robotics for your attention.